If you struggle with finding a way to store and display your jewelry so that you know what you own and that when you're racing to get out the door you can quickly accessorize, then this video is for you. In today's video, I have 2 months worth of Glamour Jewelry subscription to share with you. I thought this would be a great way to show you the wide assortment that I get from this particular service. I also thought it would be a perfect time to show you how I store my personal jewelry so that when I'm getting dressed in the morning, I can quickly accessorize and get out the door. If this sounds like something interesting to you, then just keep watching. My name is Teresa. I'm so glad that you're here. Now let's get started. We're going to look at the pieces that I received from Glamour Jewelry over the course of 2 months. I do want to thank Glamour Jewelry for sending this to me for review. With that said, I honestly feel that this is one of the best values out there when it comes to subscriptions. The Glamour Jewelry Box subscription is $29.99 a month plus $3.50 for shipping. So it comes to a total of $33.49. Now in that you get 3 pieces of jewelry that are yours to keep. This brings your cost per piece all the way down to only $11.16. And here's the exciting part. If you have never tried Glamour Jewelry Box before, I also have a discount code that I will put in the description box below. You will get an additional free piece of jewelry with your first order with a $25 value. When you divide the total cost by the 4 pieces, that brings it all the way down to $8.37 per piece. Let's look at the pieces. Each month in the Glamour Jewelry Box subscription, you do get a card that tells you about the particular collection that you received, and all of the pieces come in this pretty jewelry pouch. The first collection that I'm going to share with you is called the Santorini Collection. Delicate pieces inspired by vacation dreams. I love that. I haven't been on a vacation in quite a while, so this sounds very appealing to me. These chic favorites will be the perfect addition to your summer look. Since we can't go to the Greek Isles right now, we are bringing Santorini to you. Love that. Let's look at the pieces. This is called the Nessa necklace, and it says beautifully eye-catching. The Nessa necklace is a piece that features a hint of sparkle with a classic round pendant. A one-step layered look makes this necklace easy to pair with many of your favorite looks. This is by the brand Laurel and Rose, and the retail value is listed at $27. Honestly, if I received a necklace that looked like this in Rocksbox, I feel certain that it would be upwards of $65. This is so well made. It has a beautiful sparkle, and you can see that all of the Glamour Jewelry necklaces do have a very generous extender. This necklace has a pretty layered effect. The chain has a sparkle to it. It is in a silver tone, and then that beautiful pendant that hangs at the bottom I think is stunning. The next piece in this beautifully curated collection is this layered bracelet. I love so much about this. This is also silver tone, and it has this fun little free moving polka dot and then some crystals on this side. This bracelet has my favorite type of closure because I can put this bracelet on and off myself. Let's see what the card says about this piece. This is the Kamari Beach bracelet, and it says playful yet sophisticated. The Kamari Beach bracelet is sure to become your new favorite. I can totally see that happening. I love this bracelet. What we love most about this gorgeous bracelet: the 2 beautiful strands and the ultra-popular adjustable tie make it an effortless statement piece. It says that the retail value on this is $26, and this is also by the brand Laurel and Rose. The final piece in this particular collection are these earrings, and these are right up my alley for sure. These are called the Fira earrings. And it says the Fira earrings are a classic hoop with a contemporary twist, ready for whatever's on your schedule. They have a retail value of $26, and these are by the brand Sophia. I went ahead and put all 3 pieces on. I absolutely love every piece in this particular collection. The earrings are perfect for me. They are very lightweight, but they don't feel cheap and tinny at all. And they also have a presence, so they still show up in my big, thick, crazy hair. I love this layered necklace. It is so feminine and so pretty, and I especially like it with this V-neck top. I think they are the perfect pairing. And the bracelet ties everything together. Here's what Glamour Jewelry Box has to say about the next collection that I'm about to show you. Dear you, we are almost done with 2020. I am sure you had quite the year. With so many surprising turns, 2020 was not what any one of us expected. Isn't that the truth? Here at Glamour Jewelry Box, we are trying to find ways to help you find something to look forward to, even as small as sending your jewelry collection every month. I have to say that I personally really look forward to receiving this subscription every month. It adds just a little bit of sparkle and a little bit of surprise and gives me something to look forward to. We hope this helps put a smile on your face, and remember, we are in it together. The first piece in this curated collection is called the Ava Cuff, and it says this textured Ava Cuff has a bold design that you are going to love. Your wrist will easily stand out, making it a seasonal favorite. The retail value of this one is $26, and the brand is Madison Parker. I love so much about this, including the fact that this will be very easy to put on and off. This bracelet does have some give to it, so if you have a larger wrist, I don't think you're going to have a problem with it at all. And I find that this type of bracelet is the easiest by far to put on. How pretty is that? I love that. And you can see that I still have some room here. Gorgeous. The next piece in this curated collection is called the Jet Setter necklace. It says the Jet Setter necklace is a dainty, minimal necklace perfect to throw on when traveling. The simple and lightweight design makes it ideal for when you're on the go and need something that is effortless yet gorgeous. And I have to say, this is definitely gorgeous. The retail price on this is $27, and this is part of the Sophia collection. This is such a sparkling, gorgeous necklace. Wow. Every time I fall in love with one piece, I look at the next piece and it's more beautiful than the one before it. In the Stitch Fix world, we often say that a box is a 5 for 5 if you love everything. The 3 pieces out of this collection, every one of them is a winner in my opinion. These are called the Starburst earrings. It says get ready to turn heads with the gorgeous Starburst earrings. The linear and delicate design makes these earrings on trend with a slight burst of shine. The retail value on these is $25. I can easily see these selling for at least that. And these are by the brand Sophia. I went ahead and popped on all 3 pieces from this rose gold tone collection. I just love the linear look of these earrings. I think that this necklace is so pretty and so feminine. I also love this cuff bracelet. And I do want to mention that even though it has a substantial look to it, it's not overly heavy. It's not so lightweight that it feels tinny, but it's definitely not heavy and clunky on the wrist. Now that you've seen all of the pieces from 2 months from this subscription, I would love to know which of these collections is your favorite. Was it that gorgeous Santorini collection, or do you prefer the rose gold tone collection that I'm wearing now? Let me know in the comments. Now, when I'm getting dressed in the morning and racing out the door, I want to be able to accessorize in a flash. What you're looking at behind me is the way that I store all of my jewelry. I do not have the time to go through boxes and pouches and compartments. I need to see what I own and what I'm going to wear very quickly. I'm going to show you this entire area in detail. Now, if you're thinking to yourself, well, that's fine and good, I don't have a whole room for jewelry. Neither do I. And to be honest, you can do this setup right here behind your bedroom door if that's the space you have to work with. You can do this in a closet. And as far as this setup goes, a half bookcase sitting over a low dresser would give you the exact same result. These are kitchen utensil holders. And this is how I store my necklaces to keep them tangle free. And all I did was measure and level these out so each section has 2 of the utensil holders. And on these I keep bags, hats, and jewelry. I'm almost embarrassed that I own as much jewelry as I do. It's just something that I collect. I typically do not pay much for it. I really am a clearance rack shopper, and this top rack is what I refer to as my earring forest. These little earring stands are very inexpensive. If I can find these exact ones, I will list them in the description box below. I did get these off of Amazon. Now, because I tend to wear statement earrings, I really like to be able to see everything that I have, especially when I'm getting dressed for a video. So having them on these little stands makes it very accessible, and I can just shop my earring collection. Now we're on the next shelf down, and this is where I keep all of the bracelets that you see on my arms in nearly every video. I got most of these for pennies on the dollar on a clearance rack, so I have a bracelet to match pretty much every outfit. This bracelet holder is also from Amazon. You can actually pull the sections out and slide the bracelets on. It was very inexpensive. I will list this down below if I can find it. And I also have a couple of your traditional earring trees. I don't like the ones that you have to fuss with, so I really do prefer the little stands that keep each pair separate. Now we're on the third shelf, and big surprise, more jewelry. I have a lot of these bracelet stands because I really do wear bracelets all of the time. Full disclosure, I used to have the big gigantic jewelry boxes. I don't have the space for them, and frankly, I don't have the time to pick through them. So this is a system that works for me. And not only does it work for me, but everything that I used to create this jewelry system is very inexpensive. Let's talk about my outfit of the day. The jewelry that I started this video wearing are a pair of earrings and a bracelet from Rocksbox. I get Rocksbox, but honestly, I think it's overpriced. And for the money, you get the bigger bang for your buck with Glamour Jewelry. But I digress. The top that I have on is from Banana Republic, and my friend and subscriber, Emily, picked this out for me. I think that the burgundy color is perfect for fall. It has a very flattering V neckline, and I like the kind of 3/4 length balloon sleeves. Also has pretty cloth covered buttons, and it has darts in all the right places that give it just enough shape so that it skims over the body and is very comfortable. The jeans that I have on are by the brand Wit and Wisdom. Now normally these would be $88, but I picked them up from ThredUp. If you have never used ThredUp, by the way, I am going to put a link in the description box below. You can save $10 off of your first item. I got these jeans for $12.60. The booties that I have on were one of my picks from last fall from Old Navy. I thought these were so cute. I paid under $20 for them. I love the neutral microfiber and the bow detail. They have a zip for easy on and off, and it's just the right size stacked heel for me. The bag that I'm carrying is my all-time favorite bag from Bolzano. I'll try to remember to link one of my Bolzano videos in the cards above, and this completes my outfit of the day. If you'd like to see more videos with affordable fashion finds, be sure and give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button down below, and let me know in the comments section which of the Glamour jewelry pieces was your favorite.